Stop scrolling for a second. You know that feeling when an outfit is most perfect, but it's missing that one thing. That's where did you get that piece? In a world of mass produced fast fashion plastic, people are starving for something with a soul, something with a story in every stitch. Today we are diving into the crochet handbag designs that are dominating Etsy and Shopify right now. Whether you are a maker looking for your next bestseller or a fashion lover hunter for your next signature piece, these aren't just bags, they are wearable art. First up, let's talk about the sculpture minimalism for a long time. Crochet was seen as a baby chic or boho, but right now it's going high fashion. We are seeing a massive surge in structured silhouette. Think thick cotton cord and raffia that hold their shape. These bags use dense stitches like the waistcoat stitch or sturdy lines. To create clean geometric lines, they look just as good in bedroom as they do at brunch. Or Shopify market these as sustainable luxury. People are willing to pay a premium for a handbag that reveals a designer label in durability and style. On the complete opposite end of the spectrum, we have dopamine decor for your arm. Maximalism is back. We are taking checkered pattern, oversized granny squares with a modern twist and 3D textures. If you have seen those strawberry or flower bags trending on TikTok, you know exactly what I mean. These are the bags that stop people on streets for Etsy sellers. These are the pure giftables. Gold mines, they photograph incredibly well for Instagram and Pinterest, which is exactly how you are going to drive traffic to your shop without spending a fortune on ads. But let's get practical. Beauty is great, but utility sells. The market bag has evolved. We are moving beyond the simple mesh grocery bag into sophisticated line tone with referenced straps. A huge trend for 2026 is the festival crossbody. Small is enough for essential, but featuring intricate cable work or lace like Everstitch. Always mention the drop length of the strap and whether it's reinforced. Customer wants to know their beautiful new bag won't stretch to their knees the moment they put a phone or a lipstick. The secret sauce to selling on Etsy or Shopify isn't just the design, it's the connection. When someone buys a crochet bag, they are buying your time, your talent, and piece of your creativity. As you look through these designs, ask yourself, what's my signature? Is it the yarn you choose, the unique hardware, or the way you package it with the handwritten notes? The market for handmade fiber art is growing every single day. So pick up your hook, find your color palette, and start creating. Your future customers are already looking for you. Which of these styles was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check the description for some of my favorite pattern sources. Happy stitching!